Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 3. Video Part 3, question number 29. The smallest 5-digit number exactly divisible by this. So smallest 5-digit number we will think later. First we will find the least number which can be exactly divisible by these numbers. The least number will be the LCM. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take 2 as the common factor. 2 3s are 7, 2 4s are 9, 2 5s are. Now we can take 3 as the common factor. 1s are 7, 4, 3 3s are and then 5. Now I think there is not any common factor between these numbers. So LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 and 5. ठीक है, तो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई इट. 3 2s are 6, 6 7 जा 42 multiply by 4 168 multiply by 3 504 multiply by 5 2520 2520. ठीक है, हाँ 2520 is the number which can be exactly divisible by these numbers. ठीक है, but we have to find the smallest 5-digit. So first we should know what is the smallest 5-digit number. That is your 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. So let's divide it with 2520. 2520. So if we divide 10,000, so we can take in 2 times, it will be 5,040, but 2520 3s are 7560. Now 2520 4s are is more than this, so we will go with 3s are. So 2520 3s are 7560. 7560. 0 minus 0, this is 3. ठीक है, 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 5 4 and 9 minus 7, that is your 2. So 2440. Okay, we need to make 5-digit number. We have to make 5-digit number. So what we will do, we will just subtract this remainder from the divisor. Okay, so 2520 minus 2440, we will get 0 0 12 4 8 4 4 0 0 80. So if we add 80 in 10,000, that will be completely divisible by the given set of numbers. So we can write here required number will be your 10,000 plus 80, that is your 10,080. It is in the option number A. 29th answer is option A. Question number 30. Find the least possible length which can exactly measure the lengths 12 meter, 14 meter 85 centimeter and 10 meter 8 centimeter. So we have to find the least possible length. The least possible length will be the LCM. So step 1, first we will convert the numbers in same unit. So 12 meter equal to 1200 centimeter. Now 14 meter 85 centimeter equal to 1485 centimeter, and 10 meter 8 centimeter equal to 1008 centimeter. LCM will be its 1200, 1485, 1008. Take 2 as the common factor first. 600, it will be as it is. 2 5s are, zeros are, 2 4s are. Again take 2, 300, 1485, 2 2s are, 5s are, and 2s are. Okay? Now again take 2, 150, 1485, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are. Again take 2, 75, 1485, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. Now take 3, 2s are, 5s are. Now 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are, 3 5s are, 3 2s are, 3 1s are. Again take 3, 25 will be as it is. 3 1s are, 3 6s are, 3 5s are, then 21. Again take 3, 25, 3 5s are, 3 5s are, 3 7s are. Now take 5, so it will be 5 5s are, 11s are, and 7. Now there is not any common factor. Okay? So LCM equal to, how many times are 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 2. So 2 to the power 4 multiply by 1, 2, 3. 3 to the power 3 multiply by 5 to the power 2 multiply by 11 multiply by 7. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 plus 3, 7, 9, 10, 11. Okay. After multiplication, you will get 8316. That is in the option number A. The 36th answer, 30 answer is option A. Okay. Question number 31. The HCF of 2.50, 6.29 and 3.7 is. So how can we find out the HCF? In the step 1, we will just write the numbers in fraction. So fraction will be 259 upon 100, 629 upon 100, 37 upon 10. How can we find out the HCF of fractions? So you can write it HCF of fraction equal to HCF of numerators upon LCM of denominator. Okay. So what is the HCF of numerator? Here it is 259, 629 and 37. So let's find the HCF. 629 divided by 259. So 259s are 259, ones are, and 259 multiplied by 2, we will get 518. So 2s are 518. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 1, 1, 1 will divide 2, 5, 9. It will be 2s are 2, 2, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 2, 3. Now 0. Divide 1, 1, 1. तो threes are 7 threes are 21, carry 2, 3 threes are 9 to 11, 0, 0. So HCF of 629 and 259 is 37, and the HCF of 37 and 37 will be 37 only. So HCF of numerator is 37. LCM of denominator will be 100 because 100 is the multiple of 10. It will be your 100. So HCF of this term will be your 0.37. It is in the option number C. The 31 answer is option C. Okay? Question number 32. LCM of this is. Let's do it. 174 319 377. Take any common factor between these. So what will be the common factor in these numbers? After checking, you can find 29 is the common factor between these numbers. So 29 sixes are 174, and then 29 11s are 11 nines are 19, and 11 twos are 11s are, and then 29 13s are. Okay. Now is there more common factor between these numbers? No. So LCM equal to 29 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13. So when you multiply, so you will get 13 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 29. You will get 24,882. 882. It is in the option number A. 32nd answer is option A. 33rd one. Which of the following statement is correct? The HCF of two distinct prime number is not 1. No, it is 1. Wrong. Okay? The HCF of two co-prime number is not 1. No. The HCF of co-prime number is 1. The HCF of an even and odd number is not even. The HCF of even and odd number cannot be even. Yes, it is true. It is true. The HCF of two consecutive odd number is not 1. No, it will be 1 only. 33rd answer is option C. 34. The greatest number which on dividing this and this leaves a remainder of 12 and 15. So we have to find a number which divides this and this, but remainder should be this and this. So first we will just remove the remainder from these numbers. 6, 9, 9, 7 minus 12, that is your 5, 8, 9, 6. Second is 5 triple 2 minus 15, that is 12 minus 5, 7, 0, 2, 5. Okay? Now find the HCF of these two numbers. You will find that number. So 1, 6, 9, 8, 5 divide by 5207. Ones are 5207. 8, 7, 7, 1. 5207 will be your new dividend now. Okay? Now 1778, so multiply by 3, just check 8. 1778 threes are, it will be 5334, which is more. So let's go with in 2 times. 1778 multiply by 2, it is 3556. 3556. 1, 5, 6. Okay. Now this will be the divisor. 1778 will be your dividend. So ones are 1651, 8 minus 1 7, 7 minus 5 2, 7 minus 6 1, 127 divided by 1651. So ones are 1 2 7, 8 and 6 minus, sorry, 5 minus 2, it will be 3 and then 1. ठीक है, तो 127 multiply by 3, check it. 127 multiply by 3, you will get 381. 0 0 0. So we can see 127 is the HCF of these two numbers. Its HCF equal to 127. 127 is the number which when divides this two number, it will leave the remainder 12 and 15. Answer will be A. 34th answer is option A. Question number 30. Question number 35. The largest number which divides 625, 856 and 1626 to leave the same remainder is. तो क्या होगा वो लार्जेस्ट नंबर. तो टू फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट नंबर व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू नंबर्स. तो 856 minus 625, that is your 132, 231. Now find the difference between these two numbers. 1626 minus 856, that is your 6 minus 6 0, 12 minus 5 7 and 15 minus 8 7, 770. You can find the difference between these two also. So 1626 minus 625, that is your 1, 2 minus 2 0, 6 minus 6 0 and 1, 1001. Okay, now find the HCF of these two numbers. This HCF will be the number which when divide these three numbers will leave the same remainder, and you can check the same HCF with the third number also. So let's find the HCF of these two numbers. 770 divided by 231. So we can check 231 3s are 231 3s are, we will get 693. 693. 10 minus 3 7, 16 minus 9, it will be 7 and 0. 77 divided by 231. So we can take 3s are 7 3s are 21, carry 2, 7 3s are 21, 23. 0 0 0. So 77 is the HCF. You can check with 1001 also. To 1001 divide by 77. So you can get the number 13. Okay? It means 77 is the HCF of these three numbers. So 77 is the required number which when divide these three numbers so will leave the remainder same. You can check what is that remainder which is same for all these and comment your answer. So 35th answer is C. 36. 6 bells commence tolling together. Toll at interval 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, 15 seconds respectively in 2 hours. How many times they will toll together? ठीक है, तो after which time they will toll together, first we have to find that. So to find that number, we will find the LCM 3, 5, 8, 10, 12 and 15. Divide by 2, we can take 2 as the common factor, 5, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are now 15. Now we can take 3 as the common factor, 1s are 5, 4, 5, 2s are and 15. Now we can take 5 as the common factor, 1, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now we can take 2 again as the common factor. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. Now there is not any common factor. So LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. ठीक है, तो 3 2 जा 6, 6 5 जा 30, 32 जा 60 and 62 जा 120, 123 are 360. So after 360 second the bell will ring again. ठीक है, तो in 2 hours, how many seconds are there? तो required number of times of the bell ringing together will be 2 multiplied by 3600 है ना upon 360. After the answer will be none of these. 36E. Question number 37. The ratio of two numbers is 5:6. The HCF is 8. Then find their LCM. So two number HCF is 8. The first number will be your 5 multiplied by 8 because HCF is 8. Second number will be 6 multiplied by 8, 48. What is the LCM of 40 and 48? So let's do it. 40, 48. LCM take 2, 20s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Now again 2, 10s are, 12s are, again 2, 5s are, 6s are. Now no 2. ठीक है, तो LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 46s are 240. That is in the option number C. 37th answer is option C. Question number 38. If the product of two number is this, their LCM is this, then find the LCM. HCF is this, find the LCM. LCM equal to, we know, product of two number upon HCF. So product of two number is 1 2 5 9 7 1 2 divide by 27. So if you divide 1 2 5 9 7 1 2 with 27, you will get 46,656. 46,656. That is in the option number A. 38th answer is option A. 39. Among three co-prime numbers, the product of first two number is this and product of last two number is this. So find the sum of these numbers. Suppose those numbers are A, B and C. A multiplied by B equal to 18304 and B multiplied by C equal to 72576. Okay. We know that these three numbers are the co-prime numbers and B is common in these two. So B will be the highest common factor, the greatest common factor between these two numbers. So to find the greatest common factor, that is highest common factor, let's do it. It will be your 72576 divide by 18,304. So 18,304 multiply by 3, that is your 54,912. 54,912. ठीक है, 3s are. Okay, 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 15 minus 9, 6. 11 minus 4, 7. And 6 minus 5, 1. Divide by 18304. So ones are 17664. 4 minus 4, 0. 10 minus 6, 4. 12 minus 6, 6. Now 0, 0. I am taking this division here. I'm taking this division here. Now 640 will be your new divisor and 17664 will be your new dividend. Okay? So we can take 2 times. Take a 640 multiply by 2. We will find 1280. 1280. 6, 8, 4, 0. Now 4 will drop down. So we can take it 640 multiplied by 7. That is your 4480. 4 will come. Now 8 come. Now 7 minus 4, 3 will come. Now 0. So 640 it is. 640. So 384. 2s are will be more, so we will take 1s are. 384. It is your 6. And 13 minus 8. 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 256 divided by 384. Again, ones are, I am taking this here. Okay. Since page is small, so I have to take it there. 384 divide by 256. So again, ones are 256. 14 minus 6, 8. Now 7 minus 5, 2. 1. 1, 2, 8 divide by 256. So 2s are 256. We found the HCF. HCF of these two are 128. 128 is the HCF. Okay? B will be your HCF. That is your 128. So B equal to, we found B equal to 128. So what will be A? A will be your 18,304 divided by B. So it will be your 18,304 divided by 128. That is your 143. 143. Okay? Now what will be your C? So C will be your 72,576 divided by B. B means 128. So we will get 567. 567. You can check all three numbers are co-prime number. You can cross check it. And if these are the co-prime numbers, then write yes in the comment section. Okay. But we have to just know the sum of these numbers. So let's find the sum of these numbers. 567 plus 143 plus 128. That is your 838. It is in the option number D. The 39th answer is option D. Okay. Come to question number 40. Find the HCF of these numbers. So these are the fraction. HCF of fraction is the HCF of numerator. HCF of numerator upon LCM of denominator. To find the HCF of 2, 10, 4. So 2, 10, 4. You can just see the number and you can write HCF will be 2 only. Okay. LCM of 3, 9, 15. So it will be your 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 5s are. So LCM equal to, you can write 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. That is your 45. So it's this HCF will be your 2 upon 45. It is in the option number B. So 40 answer is option B. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.